Hi, my name is Ahmed Hasan and I am part of Autobahn Motor Products Pvt. We are a global leading machining supplier and we started in the year 2000. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company and we supply parts and components to the leading industry giants in transmission and distribution sector, power sector and automotive sector and all other engineering sectors. We have around 16 machines inside our factory and we thought of going with STM as they are a new emerging company as far as we know. The feedback that we have with the machines is that it's a really good rigid machine. We are able to see good repeatability and good accuracy with the machine. And the complaints that we have is that the coolant bud tank gets blocked easily, and cleaning the coolant bud tank is also a tedious process. It's not as easy as the other machine. The STM service team is quite accessible and they have a good rapport with us. They constantly contact us to check if everything is going right, and if we have any issues, they come immediately as and when we call. In our production line, we have around 16 machines and one of them is the STM. We are happy that we purchased the STM machine, and thanks to the STM team for the great support.